Picture this. Finally found a house you love. Type numbers into a mortgage calculator, and the monthly payment looks doable. So you think, if I can swing that number, I'm good, right? Hold up, because that's only half the story. In this video, we're walking through the complete guide to home ownership costs, stuff lenders don't want to spell out. I'm Claude Shacklett, the Lifetime Client Group at Samson Properties in Odenton, Maryland. And I want you to buy a home with your eyes wide open, not fingers crossed. If you're thinking about buying, already own, or love geeking out on real world money, hit that like button and stay tuned. That's coming. Section 1, 5 big buckets. Bucket 1 is your mortgage. That includes principal and interest, and it's the number everybody talks about. Bucket 2 is property taxes. Taxes change when the local assessor updates values or voters approve new bonds. A tax bill that's fine today can creep up by hundreds of dollars a year. Bucket 3 is insurance. Homeowners insurance protects your structure and belongings. Premiums rise when claims spike or storms worsen. Bucket 4 is utilities. Think electricity, gas, water, sewer, trash, and an HOA fee. These aren't glamorous, but they hit your checking account every month. Bucket 5 is maintenance and repairs. This is the one most new owners forget. Roofs wear out, furnaces fail, lawns need mowing, and gutters need cleaning. Let's slow down on the last one because it's where surprises live. On average, plan for 1 to 3% of your home's value each year for upkeep. If your house is worth $300,000, that's $3 to $9 grand annually. Some years, you won't spend it all. Other years, the water heater dies on Christmas Eve and eats half your fund in one shot. Sarah and Mike bought a cozy rancher for the exact mortgage payment their lender approved. 6 months later, HVAC croaked. It was summer in Maryland, 95 degrees and humid. They didn't have $3 grand lying around, so they opened a high-interest credit card. Suddenly, their affordable home felt like a chain around their necks. Don't be like Sarah and Mike. Section 2. Building a safety cushion. The smartest buyers budget for more than the bank allows. Step 1. Calculate your comfort number, not just your approval number. If a lender says you can afford $2,800 a month, your true sleep well number is $2. That $600 difference becomes breathing room. Step 2. Create a dedicated repair fund. Open a separate savings account named House Stuff. Automated transfer the same day your paycheck lands. If you can swing $200 a month, great. If you can only do $50, still great. It's about habit. Over time, you'll build a 4-figure cushion without feeling the pinch. Step 3. Keep cash reserves after closing. Aim for 3 to 6 months of total housing costs, not just the mortgage. Include taxes, insurance, utilities, and HOA dues in that number. This is the buffer that lets you sleep through a thunderstorm and the roof leaks. Section 3. Planning for the big ticket replacements. Every major system has a lifespan. Roofs last 15 to 30 years. HVAC units last 10 to 15 years. Water heaters last 8 to 12 years. Appliances work 7 to 10 hours. Windows, if they're builder basic, might leak after 20. Create a simple timeline in a spreadsheet or on a phone app. List the item, its age, expected life, and rough replacement costs. Then divide the cost by the years left to save. For example, if your 15-year-old roof will cost 12 grand to replace in 5 years, set aside $200 a month now. That way, when the shingles curl, you're ready. Section 4. Variable costs people overlook. Landscape care, if you don't mow yourself, budget $30 to $50 per cut. Pest control. Plan for quarterly treatments to keep ants and mice out. Snow removal if you live up north. Gutter cleaning each spring and fall. These are small individually, but add up over 12 months. Section 5. The emotional factor. Financial stress ruins the joy of owning a home. When you budget right, you stop dreading the mailbox. You focus on family dinners in the kitchen, not the drip under the sink. True affordability isn't a formula. It's the feeling of control. Quick math break. Let's run sample numbers for a $400,000 home. Mortgage after 20% down might be $1,900. Taxes, $300. Insurance, $100. Utilities, $300. Maintenance fund, $400. Total, $3,000 a month. If your income supports that and leaves money for life, you're good. But if it fairly fits, consider a smaller home or a bigger down payment. Section 6. How home ownership builds wealth when done right. Real estate depreciates over time. You build equity with every payment. You gain tax deductions on interest and taxes. But that equity growth only feels good when you're not hemorrhaging cash on repairs you didn't plan for. Margin is the difference between building wealth and feeling house poor. Section 7. Practical tips for for buyers in today's market. Get a home inspection and read it twice. Negotiate repairs or credits before closing. Ask for a home warranty if systems are older, but don't rely on it forever. Factor rising interest rates into an adjustable rate loan. Lock in fixed rate if you like predictability. Shop for insurance yearly. Appeal your property tax assessment if values drop. Upgrade to energy efficient appliances to cut utility bills long term. Section 8. For current homeowners who feel the pinch. Do a cost audit. List every housing bill for the past 12 months. Find one area to trim this quarter, maybe a new internet plan or LED bulbs. Refinance if rates dip far below your current rate, and you'll stay for at least 5 years. Consider a side hustle dedicated to the repair fund. Remember, small improvements compound just like interest. Let's zoom back out. A house is more than wood, brick, and drywall. It's where birthdays happen, where kids learn to ride bikes in the driveway, where you binge your favorite show on a rainy Saturday. Financial peace turns those moments from stressful to sweet. If this guide helped you picture the real cost of owning a home, hit that like button so more future homeowners see it. Have you ever been blindsided by a surprise repair? Share your story in the comments so we all learn together. And if you're ready to map out your own complete home ownership budget, reach out. The links are in the description. Subscribe for more straight talk real estate tips every week. Plan ahead, sleep well, and enjoy a home you truly love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.